Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the electronic parking brake, and switching off all electronics. Remove the key. Use a 12V 70Ah replacement battery. Wear eye protection and gloves. Open the hood and locate the battery under the right front cowl. Remove the plastic cover using a flat tool and a 10mm socket. Disconnect the negative terminal first. Then disconnect the positive. Label or photograph connector positions to avoid errors when reinstalling the new battery and storing the old battery safely. After removing covers, unbolt the battery hold-down bracket with a 13mm socket and retain fasteners. Remove auxiliary connectors and vent hose if present. Remove the positive cable after the negative has been removed earlier. Remove the battery hold-down with a 13mm socket. Lift the battery by the sides, using 2 people if heavy, and place it on an acid-resistant mat. Inspect and clean terminal clamps before reuse, removing corrosion with a wire brush and a 50 baking soda solution if needed, then dry completely. Place the new 12V 70Ah battery into the tray, ensuring vent direction and terminal orientation match original. Set the new battery in the tray and torque hold down to 20 Nm. Reconnect positive then negative terminals, tightening clamps to about 10 Nm, confirm secure connections. Reinstall plastic covers and any removed trim. Start the car and check for warning lights. Program battery using VAGCOM or dealer scan tool to register the new battery in the vehicle management system, and reset start-stop and charging adaptation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.